Hello everyone. Today we discuss about the one important topic in Power BI. So Power BI is a powerful tool for the data analysis and data visualization. With the help of Power BI, we can analysis our data and represent the insights from our data.
Okay, so Power BI is a very important tool right now because we can represent our data with the help of some different charts and with the help of some expressions. We already discussed about the DAX. What is DAX? DAX is nothing but the data analysis expressions. So with the help of these expressions, we can uh, find out the insights from the data and to fulfill the requirements. Okay, so today we discuss about the DAX as well as some important uh, tool as new table. Okay, so consider you have your data. There are some imported files or imported data sets in your Power BI. Okay, so with the help of these imported data sets, we can generate new table or new data sets as per the requirement. So how we can create? So today we see how we can create new data set or new table with the help of Power BI. Okay, so as per the requirement, I have these different data sets, and here is the cells. Nowadays, date is very important for each and every database. Okay, each and every record and each and every data set contains the dates. Based on the date, we can identify our information. Okay, for here, for the example, we import the sales data sets, and sales data set is having different columns. Okay, so these are the different columns. So with the help of sales data sets and their field date, we can generate the new table as per the requirement. And to create the new table, we take a help of calendar function. So calendar is very powerful in the data analysis and in a Power BI tool. With the help of calendar function, it's a DAX function, and with the help of this function, we can fulfill our requirement related to our date base. Okay, so how we can create new table and how we can find out the or how we can fulfill the requirements with the help of DAX function, we see this. Okay, to create new table, here is the option as new table. Okay, just click on new table, then you will get the expression for the new table. So here is the column name as new table, and here what name you want to give your table, new table, as per the requirement you can give here. And for that, I just create the date master table with the help of sales data set and their field date. I generate the date master table. Okay, so date master is the table name. Okay, here is the default name is table, and I set as table name as date master. So how we can get the data from the sales table to date master table? So I want to generate the dates or I want to fetch the dates. For that, you have a calendar function in Power BI. Here is the calendar function. So what calendar function wants? The calendar function wants start date from where we start our records. Sorry, and end date where we can stop our dates. Okay, these two value we pass to calendar function, and calendar function fetch the data or generate the data from sales table. Okay, so start table. So start date. for the calendar function, first argument or first value is start date. How we can get the start date? So for the start date, to find out the start date, here is the function first date. Here is the function first date. First date is the function. And what is wants to first date? First date wants date. From which dates we can get the first date. Okay. So I have this date field or date column in my sales data set. So select, so I pass sales dataset date field. Here is the sales dataset date field. Is the first date or start date. Okay. And second argument is end date and separated by comma. So I put here comma, then automatically it switch. So it focuses which value you give to the function. It focuses, okay, blue color. So I want to put end date. End date here is the last date function in Power BI to get the last date from your. What wants the last date function? Last date function wants the date, and where our dates are in sales table. So sales table contains the date. Okay. So from this sales table date field, we get the date. Okay. So we pass two values to calendar. First date from sales table date field, last date from sales table date field. So our expression is completed. Now, if you execute this expression, then you will get all dates from the sales table as a start date and end date with the help of calendar function and first date and last date function. These are the DAX function in Power BI. DAX is nothing but the data analysis expression. This is your expression to generate your values. So what values? In date master table, I want to generate the dates. So for that, if you put here calendar, then your column is generated as date. So I hit enter, then automatically I will get all the date values or all date column values here as a start date and end date. Okay. The all these values are recorded here. Okay. This is the calendar function works. So I generate one table as date master. Okay. Because I have some requirements. I have a sales data, and for sales, we find, or for the sales, we analyze sales data as year-wise sales, then quarter-wise sales, then month-wise, then week-wise, and then day-wise. All these functions, all these values I want to focus on how the sales are going on. For that, with the help of this column, I generate my all the fields in that in this table. Okay. So which is this table? This table is the date master, and first field or first column of date master is date. So with the help of date master date, I find out the year, then quarter, then week, then weekdays, month. Okay. All these value. How we can generate all these value? So let's see. So I want the column here. So how we can add? We know already. If you want to add new column, then click on new column. Okay. So in date master table, I want another column as year. The column name is year. So what I want here, I want just year from this date. So here is also one DAX function as year. Okay, here is the year. So what year wants? Year wants only date. So we have a date, right? So where is the date? In data master table, there is a date. Okay. From this date table, this year function separate out your years. Okay. This is the DAX expression related to your date. So if I enter heat, then all are separated from this date column. So all these years are separated. Okay, right. Then after year, I want quarters. Okay, because if I analyze the data with the help of year, then I say I want to deep down to analyze the data. So I want to find out the quarter wise sale. So what is quarter? In a year, there are 4 quarters. Every 3 months is a one quarter. I started from January to December. There are 4 quarters. So I want to add new column as quarter. I want to new column as quarter. Okay. So the column name is URTR is quarter. Then here is the quarter function. Here is the quarter function to get quarter from the, here is the, what quarter function requires? There is a date. So we have a date as in date master table. So what it returns? It returns a number. Okay, it returns a number. From January to March, there is a first quarter. Then April, May, June, there is a second quarter. June, July, August, July, August, September, there is a third quarter, and October, November, December, there is a fourth quarter. So we will get 1 to 4 numbers. Okay, so we'll get the 1 to 4 number. So firstly, I want to pass the date to quarter function. So pass your date master date to quarter function. Okay, so you will get your quarter value. If I enter here, then I will get my date quarter, quarters from my year. Okay. Okay. So we get the quarters values from each and every year. Okay, from our date with the help of quarter function in the Power BI tool. Okay. Now I want to find out the month values. Okay, I want to find out the month value. Okay, so now I want to month values. So for that, I again add new column as a month. Okay, so I will get the month value separated from this date. Okay, so here is a new column. Then I use the name as month equals to, here is a function month. Okay, month function wants the date. Month function wants the date. So I pass the date master table date field to this. What this function returns? What this function returns? What this function returns? This function returns the values 1 to 12 as January to December. Okay, so I pass here date master date field to the month function, and we receive or we will get the month values with the help of month function. So DAX function related to your calendar or your dates. Okay, so to get the month values, we use the month function. But I want the month name. Okay, because these are the only values for the months. Okay, but I want the name. Okay, for that you have to format your month value. Okay, for that I add a new column as a month name. I want to add a new column as month name. Okay, so equals to format. So I select format function, and format function wants value and format. Which format? So value is date master date. Value is date master date, comma. Then format. So format If you want the month, then I put month format here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4M, you will get full name of your month. Okay. If I enter hit, then I will get month names. I will get month names. So I put here 4M. That's why I get the full name. If you put only 3M, then you will get short month name. These are the different formats. Okay. So get you will get here, or you get here the month name. Okay. So we find out year, quarter, month name. Then I want to get the week. Which week? In a month, there are 4 weeks. So here I want to add new column as week. Okay. So which week is this? So I want to add week equals to. Here is a function week number. Week number. Which week number? What wants the week number? Week number wants the date and returns the week number in a year. Whole year week number. Okay. I want to pass date master date field or date to week number function and hit enter. I will get week number. These are the different week numbers to your complete whole year. Week numbers are for complete whole year. Okay. Then I want the weekday. I want the weekday. So add a new column. Then put new column as weekday equals to. Here is a function weekday. Which weekday? Weekday function wants the date. So date master column having the date field. Okay. And if I pass the date to weekday function, I will get the weekday. So weekday also returns you the number. Which day is this? But I want weekday name. Which day is this? Okay. So for that, again, I want to format the weekday as a name. So here new column, and I want weekday name equals to. So format function wants the value and format. So value is date master, date column, and format is for the weekdays. So I put DDD. Okay. If I enter hit, then I will get the full name of the day. These are the days. Okay. If I put here 3 days, then I will get short weekday name. Short weekday name. Okay. With the help of these different functions, DAX functions, or different expression, we separate out our date as per the requirement. From the date, I separate out the year, quarter, month, week, and weekday, and format the month for the name and format the weekday for the name. Okay. So for today, we stop here. Thank you.